All right, everyone, so today is mock-up day. We're gonna take these lovely parts that we got from Skies, this being a quarter of them, obviously. And then what, Eric?
We're gonna send them off to powder coat.
After they're mocked up, of course, and drilled. So let's get started.
Something that we check for on these frames is, it's more common with F-250 trucks, but you can potentially get a crack running down here on the inside or outside. So right now when you've got the shackles off, you're getting ready to put your shackle reversal front hanger on, it's a good time to check that to do any repairs if need be. One of the reasons Super Duty springs ride so much better on these trucks is because they're 4 inches longer from the center pin of the spring forward. Your stock shackle fits back here, and this is the difference in the hanger. Alrighty, so we've removed our factory leaf spring hanger. We're going to be replacing it with our low profile leaf spring hanger. These hangers are specifically designed for our 2-inch shackle. These hangers have a mounting hole that is 1 inch up from factory and 1.5 inches forward. The other thing is these are trimmed specifically to fit the tight shoulder of this bend for the 2-inch shackle. These are going to allow us to get the least amount of lift with a shackle reversal, so we can just add lift spring to that after. We've got the hanger set per the instructions, rotated to where we want it. We know where to put this hanger because of lift springs we've already had. If you're running lift springs, do yourself a favor and only drill one hole after you've got it set, put everything down, and check it to make sure everything is right. Because if you drill all these holes, it's going to be a nightmare if you need to make an adjustment in the future. Alright, so we're going to remove the 6 rivets here on the front hanger. The reason we are removing this front hanger and replacing it with our hanger is because the 08 to 16 Super Duty springs are 8 inches longer from the center pin forward. Also, in the 08 to 16 rear spring swap kit, it includes a rear shackle flip and a Super Duty rear conversion boomerang shackle. The shackle flip adds 2 inches of lift to the kit, and the boomerang shackle is the correct hardware size for the 08 to 16 rear spring. So we've installed our 08 to 16 rear spring. We've installed the 08 to 16 rear spring front hanger. You can see here, these are the original factory mounting holes for the OE hanger. The leaf spring would normally sit here. This is the main purpose of the front hanger, is to make this mounting point further forward to accommodate the 08 to 16 rear spring. With the 08 to 16 springs being longer, we have to remove the factory e-brake bracket to allow the 08 to 16 front hanger to sit on the frame. We replace that with our e-brake bracket that's intended to be welded on in any position you'd like, depending on the length of your cables and your lift. Or we've got 2 pilot holes for a drill and tap.
So next time you guys see this rig, it's going to look a little bit different. Who's ready? Me. Check out our 3rd video. We'll give you the final details on it and go from there.
Thanks for watching.
Getting on the chain. Gang. That's the sound of Eric sweeping up my floors.